Hi. I'm going to take a couple minutes now and show you around our yard so you can see the kind of situation that we're in here. It's the middle of April and we are just on the shores of Lake Ontario. So this is a little greenhouse that I put together from a kit, and then these overwintered in a paper bag, these geraniums, and they've come back pretty nicely. So they're just getting ready to plant, probably in this new planter. Rhubarb coming back nice and strong. This is from my mom's garden. It's been in here about 25 years now. Keeps on going. Then every year when we get hyacinths for Easter, we put them in here, and now we've got a nice little patch that comes up every year. These ones are looking nice. Okay, that's daffodils that we had on our table last year. Now they've taken quite nicely. I just found today that we had some Brussels sprouts in there last year, and now they're resprouting. We'll see what happens with that. Here's a bit of a surprise. Kale from last year. It just never stopped being green and then overwintered. And so now we've got a survivor kale that looks like it's going to take on again this year. We planted some garlic and it's come up. We put that in the fall. Some chives right there. They've come up every year. This is my little original strawberry patch from about 2 plants, which is now spread out. And I've also got a bunch of more strawberries over here in this little planter. We'll keep moving along here. Okay, there's a hosta popping through. This is my peony. Last week I put these little planter boxes together. That's just a plastic bag there. And I'm going to try potatoes in these containers. Let's see what happens. And here's my main veggie garden for the tomatoes and other things. It's your bed, which means that it's about 2 feet deep. And there's a bunch of old logs and wood and scrub and everything down at the bottom of that, with all this soil sitting on top. So if my pond ever overflows, and it does quite often, I've set it up so that the overflow will go out this way and will flow into the bottom of that flower bed or vegetable garden. So just a few more things. Nice bunch of irises that have been there for years and years. Over here, the bin for my manure tea. And then come around here and we've got the compost bin. This is a new one that I'm trying, and it's not started yet. Temperature is not very warm, but I'm hoping that in the next couple of weeks this will warm up and kick off. I'm not sure about these compostable bags. I think they actually slow it down. Blackberries, they're just starting now to get some leaves. You can see that looks good. That'll be taken off as soon as the warm weather sticks around. Our pear tree. I have no idea how to prune a pear tree, but there it is. And this is more berries, blackberries. Looks like these are going to be good. They don't have any problem with being under the plastic here. Look at, they're doing really well. So I think I'll just open them up a bit. Those strawberries are coming back to life beautifully. So that's going to be exciting. We'll figure out a way to put a net on this so that the birds and the squirrels don't get at them. And yeah, if we need to throw some toast on, we'll be able to do that too. So there we go.